Intro. Hey, what's up guys? It's the Unknown here, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $100,000 in just 30 days with dropshipping. If you're interested in making money online, then you definitely don't want to miss this video. Section 1. What is dropshipping? Before we get started, let me quickly explain what dropshipping is for those of you who may not know. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't actually hold any inventory. Instead, you create a website or a store where you sell products that are held by a third-party supplier. When someone orders a product from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Section 2. Finding a profitable niche. The first step in making money with dropshipping is finding a profitable niche. In this section, I'll show you some tools and strategies that you can use to find a niche that's not only profitable but also has low competition. Section 3. Setting up your store. Once you've found your niche, the next step is setting up your store. I'll show you how to create a professional-looking store even if you have no experience with web design. I'll also show you how to optimize your store for conversion so that you can make as many sales as possible. Section 4. Finding winning products. The key to making money with dropshipping is finding winning products. In this section, I'll show you how to find products that are in high demand, have low competition, and offer high profit margins. Section 5. Advertising and marketing. Now that your store is set up and you've found some winning products, the next step is advertising and marketing. I'll show you some of the best platforms to advertise on, as well as some strategies that you can use to drive traffic to your store. Section 6. Scaling your business. Once you've started making some sales, the final step is to scale your business. I'll show you how to reinvest your profits into your store, find new products, and scale your advertising campaigns to take your business to the next level. Conclusion. So that's it guys, that's how I made $100,000 in just 30 days with dropshipping. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.